In this tutorial, I want to show you how to rotate this object around this axis. It is very useful in classical objects. So, tutorial carefully. It is enough for me to select my object and go to the Modify list and search for the Patch Deform option. In the next option, I click on the noun and click on the line that I have. Powered by Dubverse. For example, it is not Z or Y. It can be OK on X, but again, its angle is not appropriate. Now, I click on the rotation option and rotate it 90 degrees. Powered by Dubverse. In the next step, we move this object to the Z-axis. We move it to the Z-axis so that it is exactly in our size. Some people say that our object is smaller than our object. Now, we want to make it bigger. What should we do? In the first step, we move it to the Z-axis and move it to the Z-axis. Now, it is bigger than the other object. But we can play with it a little bit. We can get a great result. Now, we can have this detail wherever we want. I wish you success and victory.